Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee. So today is my what I got for Christmas video. I wasn't going to do this, but a lot of you said you'd quite like to see it. So I thought, well, there's a nice idea. Let's just share the bits I got for Christmas, you know. It's nice to see some new things and have a little coffee together. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's a strong one, that is. Right, okay. Let's begin. So, first off, all my presents from my partner came in this big Santa box. How cute is this? And it says, delivered by Santa. And it was just full of my presents. It was great. There was just so many little bits in there and I really loved digging through that. So let's start with what I got from my love. First off, this chili bottle set. This is the water bottle. Look at the colour, like this is, you know, this is my colour, but it's a set. So it comes with a coffee cup as well. How fabulous is this? I didn't even know they did coffee cups, but they do. So this is the water bottle. And you've got a little thing that you can hold like that. Love it, love the colour, you know that's my colour. And then your coffee cup here, which you can close the lid. You can just twist it. I'm not sure how, well the whole thing comes off like that. So you can put your coffee in. And then your sippy bit is at the top here. And then I think you just close it. So it shouldn't leak basically. But how cute is that? Like, hi, I'm just out with my coffee, yeah? Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. So wonderful. Then I got, oh, and I love this. This is my 2022 agenda. I love this. This is from Anthropology, and he gave me one of these in 2019, and I couldn't find one since, like this kind of this big. So it's got like, you know, and then it's got, look at this. January. It's got all the months there, but at the beginning it's got like, you've got like notes, you've got a bit at the back that you can put things in, you've got all your dates, you've got dates to remember, goals. Oh yeah, this is a good thing about it. You've got this bit, look at this, I love the picture, look, goals. So in the goals section, you can write your monthly goals, career goals, big ideas. It's really cute. I absolutely love it. And I love like a big giant diary like this. And it's got cats in it, which is what I love. And Anthropology didn't do one like that one, like this for ages. So I was like, yes, because I mean, who just loves starting the new year with a new diary? So I absolutely love that. Oh. Don't fall over. Then I got this hat. I can't pronounce the brand. It's, let's see now. Oh, Fjällräven. So Fjall Raven. Fjällräven. I think it's a Swedish brand. Bertie's chewing my box. Hold on. He's got a grey one like this and I love it because all my ones have got bobbles on and sometimes you're just not in a bobbly mood. And I saw this in the window and I was like, oh my God, I love this. And the colour as well. So it's just perfect for my winter walks. Bertie, come on, can you just not? No, just sit in the window quietly, mummy. Who else calls their pet mummy? Oh, no. I'm going to have to put it out of the room, hold on. Okay, yeah, that was my hat. Love that. Then, oh yeah, and then I got I showed this to you before, the Tom Ford cream foundation brush. Just use that to put my foundation on. Really love this, really nice. Love it basically. Oh, and then last but not least from him, I got this shower gel set from S-Bar and it's the bergamot and jasmine. Oh my God, it's so nice. You only need a small amount of this and it lathers beautifully and it smells amazing and it's fresh. I love the smell of bergamot, so oh my God, I love this. So that's that. And then, oh no, one more thing. one more thing from him. This book, this is stunning. It's called Deadlier, and it's one of the 100 of the best crime stories written by women. How amazing is this book? I mean, it's a bumper book of stories. Oh, I just lost my page. I just think it's gorgeous. The cover is stunning, but it's all stuff that I like, you know. It's a murder without text, Mr. and Mrs. Jansen and the Mermaid, all these different stories. And I just love that that they're all written by women as well. It's just such a thoughtful book, you know. Got another story here. So I love that. That is really nice. I love that. Oh, okay. Right, on to my sister. She got me the Huda Beauty Powder, the Huda Bake Powder, this one. I've got it in the shade Pound Cake, and I use that under my eyes. And then she got me this book, Winter Tales. Oh my God, isn't that gorgeous? You know, I'm a winter person. I love anything, you know, snowy. But look at this snowman. Look at the pictures. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And you've got all these winter stories, the silver pine cones. I always loved this sort of thing as a child, these sort of magical lands and these little stories, and the Apple Tree Man. Isn't that lovely? I mean, the illustrations, I love illustration, and I just love things like this, love it. And it's just, oh, look at A Cloak for the Moon. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Ooh, look at the cover of this. This is just, I think I'd like to have a whole mural on my wall. And these are stories from around the world. I think I would love this, a mural in the back of the wall with all of these things. Oh, fabulous. Fabulous, love that. I keep it on my makeup table so I can look at it because it's just so pretty. And then from my mum, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm, I keep wanting to call it Megagasm, but Nudegasm Face Palette. I showed this in my previous video. I've got the highlight on today and the highlight on my eyes. And it's just got your sculpt and bronze, highlight and blush, and it is just beautiful. Like I said, you can't go wrong with this. It doesn't give you like that shiny, you know, it just looks natural. It's really, really soft and blendable, and it's a beautiful, look at that. Oof. And then I got this lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, but look at that. Look at the diamante on it. Oh, this is from the Romance collection. I'm wearing it now. I'm wearing gloss on top of it. It's called Nude Romance. Look at that. And it's a gorgeous brownie nude. And it is a beautiful formula, like all her formulas are. But it's just a lovely, gorgeous, creamy, delicious lipstick, and I love it. And then I got a candle, which, oh my goodness, look at this candle. Isn't that stunning? The scent is called Library. So it's got that, I can't describe it, but it's got that smoky, leathery smell. I love it. And it's by a British brand called Chase and Wonder. And their illustration is beautiful. They've got the most gorgeous pictures and candles, and it's ceramic. It says, evoking mahogany shelves full of leather books, reading under faint flicker of candlelight. Aromas of rich wood, amber and pink pepper. Yeah, it is. Oh my God, I love this. It's beautiful for this time of year. Absolutely adore this. So yeah, there we have it. Oh no, hang on. Keep forgetting. This is from my sister to both of us. This is so cute. Look at this. It's a portrait of Mr. Bertie. Oh, look. Isn't that lovely? Oh, isn't that so sweet? And this we put up in his room. Yeah, he has a room. And it's his little self-portrait. So cute, isn't it? So, honestly, I haven't forgotten anything, have I? No, I think that's everything. Yeah. So there we go. Those were what I got for Christmas. It's just fun to share some stuff, you know, see what you got. And I don't know, you asked, so I showed. Let me know some of the things you got for Christmas if you want. And I will chat to you soon. I hope you're well. Subscribe if you're new. Like and comment on this video. And chat with me below. I'll chat to you soon. Bye.